Bringing families and friends closer together with a new baby cam that can beam live pictures within hours of a birth. They can see the new bundles of joy on mobile phones and computers worldwide.
2.5-year-old Matilda is seeing her new cousin for the first time.
Oh, give her a hug. That's your cousin.
These are live pictures of baby Abby from St Vincent's Private Hospital, where she was born last Friday. Great-grandparents Bobby and Rick also meeting the newest edition.
You don't have to go to the hospital, just sit home.
The small Look at My Baby camera is attached to the side of the crib. Parents Melissa and Kane have a private PIN number to hand out, giving loved ones 24-hour access to baby Abby's every move.
We just send out the link to all our friends and family, so it was good though. Everybody rang us up and said how beautiful she looked.
Fewer visitors means Melissa and Kane have more time to bond with baby Abby.
Yeah, not being inundated with visitors when you've just had a baby can get stressful at times.
A newborn's first living moments will be just a click away for family and friends, with a new baby cam being introduced to WA hospitals. The technology feeds live pictures of the newborn in its crib during its stay in the maternity ward.
It's a magical moment that everyone wants to see, and now they can.
I think the parents are going to go absolutely mad for it.
Every yawn was a miracle in its own way.
It's a baby cam fitted to the crib of a newborn for its entire stay in hospital, and the password-protected live feed is just a click away for doting family and friends.
I think they could all have a look and see what he looked like straight away, so feeling more part of the process.
So I thought it was pretty impressive. Real time, there in glorious colour.
From Grandad Alf Standen in the Perth Hills to family in the UK, Jasper has his audience mesmerised around the clock with a few short, unscheduled breaks.
When we thought about it and got creative, we used to leave a little sign saying out to lunch in his little cot so that people would know that he was off having a feed or being changed.
The cameras will be rolled out across WA hospitals in the next few months, so parents can show off their newborn.
The memories that are generated and the connection that it has for those that can't be with you at the birth of your baby is priceless.
Rochelle Mutton, 9 News.
It's like baby Big Brother, and it beats birth notices hands down.
Yeah, well, my sister lives in Dysart, and Kaylin's great-granddad is in Melbourne.
The Look at My Baby service is much more than a snapshot.
They can look at it and actually sort of get a feeling of what the baby's maybe actually like.
The technology is also secure. Each couple receives a PIN number so only selected relatives and friends can gain access.
Gone are the days where family and friends actually have to visit the maternity ward to see a newborn. Bubs are going global in their first few hours thanks to CribCam, which allows parents to broadcast their pride and joy.
The precious days after a little one arrives are a time for parents to begin bonding. But they can now share the love with family and friends by streaming Junior's every burp and gurgle from the crib via a secure link on the web. It was a good solution for mother of 3, Michelle Philpott, and her family.
They were really, really excited that they were able to see him within those first couple of days without having to do the travel and be able to see us at home later when we were more comfortable and settled.
A school librarian by trade, Michelle was even able to introduce little Hamish to her students in the classroom. Paul Lobb, NBN News.